Alright guys, so you know what that means. That means it is time to change the filter. Don't be intimidated. It's very easy, very simple, and I'm going to show you how. Now this is mine down here. All I'm going to do is turn it to take it out. And this is a Samsung refrigerator. Take it, turn it all the way around like a 180. Boom. Once you get that bad boy out, you want to look for that number right there. Once you find that number, you look on Amazon, you get the number, and you order it. So let's get it in. Got it. Let's get her open. Now these were a second chance, so instead of spending almost $40 for one of those filters, I got 3 Amazon brand for $22 because these were a second chance. So let's get this inside the refrigerator. Came with stickers to show you when to take it out next time. Old compared to the new. In order for the red light to go off, you want to press and hold the actual door alarm for 3 seconds and then the ice maker for 3 seconds, because that is what's going to reset the filter and turn the light off. Now the next step is to do this. Run at least about 7 gallons of water out so that way you can get any of the taste or anything that comes with the filters when you first buy them. So run the water and then you can start drinking it and using it. I'm gonna do about 5 of these big bowls. And now you are all set to have clean, fresh water at the refrigerator.